Want to boost your memory power-packed foods like blueberries, turmeric, broccoli, pumpkin seeds, oranges, eggs, and green tea? Ever considered the link between what we eat and how it impacts our brain? Our memory is a fundamental part of who we are. It's the storehouse of our life's experiences, our skills. Now, wouldn't it be intriguing to know that what we eat can significantly affect our memory? In the journey ahead, we're going to delve into each of these memory-enhancing superfoods. These foods aren't just tasty delights, but also potent memory boosters. They can not only improve our memory, but also slow down cognitive decline. So, are you ready to amplify your brain power with these superfoods? Stay as we explore the benefits of these memory-boosting foods. Starting off our list are the tiny powerhouses, blueberries. These small but mighty fruits are loaded with antioxidants, substances that delay brain aging and improve memory. Antioxidants act as brain's defense mechanism, fighting off harmful free radicals that can damage cells and contribute to brain aging and diseases like dementia. So, how do blueberries come into play? Well, blueberries are among the highest antioxidant-rich foods known to man, including the flavonoids, anthocyanin, which is what gives blueberries their deep blue color. They're like the superheroes of the fruit world. And the best part? It's so easy to incorporate blueberries into your diet. Toss them into your morning cereal or yogurt, blend them into a smoothie, or simply eat them by the handful. You could even freeze them for a refreshing, healthy treat. Remember, it doesn't take much. Just a handful of blueberries can go a long way in boosting your memory. Next on the list is the golden spice, turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice isn't just for giving curry its characteristic hue, it's also a memory-boosting powerhouse. The secret to its success lies in a compound called curcumin. Curcumin is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. It's these properties that give turmeric its brain-boosting abilities. Inflammation and oxidative stress can lead to cognitive decline, and that's where curcumin steps in. It fights off these harmful processes, helping to protect your brain and keep it functioning at its best. But there's more. Curcumin has a unique ability to cross the blood-brain barrier. This barrier is highly selective, allowing only certain substances to reach the brain. But curcumin has a VIP pass. Once it's in the brain, it can exert its beneficial effects directly on your brain cells. So, how about adding a dash of turmeric to your meals? It's a simple step that could make a big difference. Add a dash of turmeric to your meals and watch your memory sharpen. Ever thought that broccoli could boost your memory? Well, it can. This green tree-like veggie is a powerhouse of antioxidants and vitamin K, two key elements that support brain health. Let's break it down. Antioxidants are like the body's personal cleanup crew. They roam around tackling harmful free radicals that can cause damage to our cells, including those in the brain. When our brain cells are healthy, our memory is sharp. Now let's talk about vitamin K. This nutrient is a bit of a superhero when it comes to our brain. Studies suggest that vitamin K is essential for forming sphingolipids, a type of fat that's densely packed into brain cells. This essential vitamin also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can protect the brain against damage and support overall brain health. So, the next time you see broccoli on your plate, remember, it's not just a side dish. Broccoli is a memory enhancer. Don't let their size fool you. Pumpkin seeds are packed with memory-boosting nutrients. These little seeds are a powerhouse of antioxidants, which are known to protect the body and brain from free radical damage. This means they can help slow down the process of brain aging and improve your memory, but the benefits don't stop there. Pumpkin seeds are also a rich source of magnesium, a mineral that's crucial for learning and memory. Lack of magnesium in the diet has been linked to many neurological diseases, so eating pumpkin seeds is a tasty way to keep your brain functioning at its best. And let's not forget about iron, zinc, and copper. These essential minerals can boost brain function, improve memory, and even protect against neurological disorders. Iron helps deliver oxygen to your brain, zinc is crucial for nerve signaling, and copper helps control nerve signals. So next time you're carving a pumpkin, remember to save those seeds. A sprinkle of pumpkin seeds can be a big boost to your brain health. Oranges, they are not just for colds, they can help your memory too. Let's peel back the layers on this citrusy delight. Oranges are bursting with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that combats free radicals which can cause brain aging. But it doesn't stop there. Vitamin C is crucial in preventing mental decline. How so? Well, our brain consumes a whopping 20% of the oxygen we breathe. This makes it vulnerable to oxidative stress. Vitamin C steps in as a strong antioxidant, protecting our brain from this stress. Moreover, studies have shown that vitamin C supplementation can improve cognitive performance and even delay cognitive decline in older adults. It's like a shield, safeguarding your memory from the wear and tear of time. Just imagine all this power packed into one delicious, juicy fruit. So next time you're reaching for a snack, why not grab an orange? It's a tasty way to feed your brain. An orange a day can keep memory decline away. Eggs, a breakfast staple, are also champions at boosting memory. Not just a source of high-quality protein, eggs come packed with a variety of nutrients that contribute significantly to brain health. One of these is vitamin B6, known for its role in synthesizing the neurotransmitter serotonin, which regulates mood and stress. Then we have vitamin B12, another B vitamin present in eggs. It's a key player in maintaining nerve cell health and cognitive function. Not to forget folate, a type of B vitamin that helps in the formation of red blood cells and DNA synthesis. But the star of the show is choline. This micronutrient is critical for creating acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood and memory. In fact, studies show that higher intakes of choline are linked to better memory and mental function. So why not add eggs to your breakfast menu? Starting your day with eggs can also mean starting your day with a memory boost. Last, but certainly not least, let's talk about green tea, the brain's best friend. This ancient brew, steeped in tradition and culture, is more than just a soothing beverage. It's a cocktail of compounds that can help boost your brain power. The magic of green tea starts with its unique chemical composition. It's packed with polyphenols, a type of antioxidant that fights against free radicals in your body. These free radicals can cause oxidative stress, which can lead to a decline in brain function. But the antioxidants in green tea are like knights in shining armor, protecting your brain cells from this oxidative assault. One of the most beneficial polyphenols in green tea is epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG. Try saying that 3 times fast. This powerful antioxidant not only combats oxidative stress, but it also has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is another enemy of the brain, contributing to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. But EGCG is there, standing guard and protecting your brain from inflammation's harmful effects. But the brain-boosting benefits of green tea don't stop there. It also contains a unique amino acid called L-theanine. This compound increases the activity of the neurotransmitter GABA, which has anti-anxiety effects. It also boosts dopamine and the production of alpha waves in the brain. This can lead to improvements in brain function, mood, and even sleep quality. And let's not forget about caffeine. While green tea doesn't contain as much caffeine as coffee, it contains enough to produce a response without causing the jittery effects associated with too much caffeine. This combination of L-theanine and a small amount of caffeine can improve brain function, making you more alert and focused. So, the next time you're reaching for a mid-afternoon pick-me-up, consider swapping that cup of joe for a cup of green tea. It's not just a drink, it's a brain-boosting powerhouse. A cup of green tea not only relaxes you, but also keeps your brain sharp and memory intact. To sum up, incorporating these foods into your diet can significantly boost your memory. We've taken you on a delicious journey, from the tiny powerhouses known as blueberries, packed with antioxidants, to the golden spice, turmeric, with its active ingredient curcumin enhancing brain function. We've also shined a spotlight on the green protector, broccoli, a source of antioxidants and vitamin K, and the small but mighty pumpkin seeds, filled with antioxidants and a rich source of magnesium, iron, and copper. We've celebrated the vitamin C heroes, oranges, and the breakfast champions, eggs, both providing nutrients vital for brain health. And let's not forget about green tea, the brain's best friend, with its caffeine and antioxidants. All these foods have unique properties that contribute to enhancing your memory, so let's make the most of them. Remember, a healthy diet equals a healthy mind, so eat these foods and keep those memories sharp. Thanks for watching Vitality Vision, your guide to optimal health. Please like and subscribe.